Hi everyone, I'm Nikki Boxler and I'm going to be taking out a 2022 KZ Confluence over the next couple weeks camping, and I wanted to share with you 6 of my favorite things about it. Number 1, it's easy to clean. When I'm camping, I usually don't spend much time inside the camper unless I'm sleeping or it's raining outside. So when it is nice, I like to be outside either fishing, grilling, or chilling by the campfire. So if you camp like me, being able to easily clean your RV is super important. So the linoleum floors and luxury woven vinyl flooring in the slide outs of the Confluence are perfect. Number 2, it's spacious. Every floor plan of the KZ Confluence is constructed with a slide out for a more spacious and welcoming feel. There's tons of storage space in the kitchen and bedroom, plus the outdoor storage is perfect for all my camping gear. Number 3, it's comfortable. So if you're anything like me, I like to jam-pack my days full of activities from sunup till sundown. So coming back to a place where I can just relax and be comfortable is really important. The king-size bed in the Confluence makes sure I wake up well-rested and ready for another day of adventures. The dinette and residential-styled kitchen provide a comfy spot to relax and eat a meal while you dodge the rain. The included Arctic package has a fully enclosed, insulated, and heated underbelly to keep your tanks and pipes protected in all weather. Number 4, it's affordable. Camping is about so much more than just an RV. It's about your family, so finding an affordable option is key. The Confluence is packed with features and amenities that aren't usually found in campers in this price range. You've never seen outdoor entertainment like this in such a budget-friendly camper. Number 5 is that it's pet-friendly, which means life at the campsite with your furry friends will be more fun. The Confluence is equipped with a built-in dog dish that can be neatly tucked away when not in use, and an exterior leash latch. And number 6, it is exclusively available at Colton RV. I love supporting local family businesses, and Colton has been around for 60 years in Western New York. So if you are looking for a camping experience, go check out the Confluence at Colton RV.